So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to apply our kinect, and this is our build in a bottle system. It's brand new. We just released it at Premiere Orlando. So we're applying a thin layer of the kinect to the nail, just to the natural nail. Cure for 60 seconds. So this is the build, and I'm going to apply a quick thin layer of the build. So I'm applying the build in the bottle, and I'm going to bring my extension out as well while I'm doing this. And it's just a thin layer, and we call it a slip layer. You would call it a slip layer if you weren't extending the nail. Just a very thin layer to establish where you want the product. Cure for 60 seconds. So I'm applying a thicker builder layer now. And I kind of start in the middle because it is self-leveling. So it's going to work its way out to the outer edges. And because it's a stiletto and it's self-leveling, I would maybe even do three coats. So my thin coat, a builder coat, and then maybe another thinner builder coat, just to get the strength point built up. Cure for 60 seconds or cure for 90 seconds if your lamp has a low heat mode when building the nail. One more thinner layer of the builder, just to build up the strength point a little more. Cure for 60 seconds or 90 seconds on low heat mode. So I'm removing the tacky layer with our Prep and Clean, and I'm going to give it a file and shape and take the form off. So the product requires minimal filing, and it files very easy and beautifully like all of our gels. So I'm taking purple and hibiscus from our Simply Color line, and I'm going to create an ombre. And we don't have to stir our gels because our pigments are very, very high quality and very stable in our jars. I take an ombre brush and I drag the pink into the purple. And then with a stippling motion with my brush, bounce the two colors together. And the ombre doesn't have to be 100% perfect because we're gonna go over it with some spider gel. So we're just kind of creating a bit of a blended effect. Cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in with our lacquer. I'm a matte top coat. So I'm going to wipe the mat with the Prep and Clean. I'm gonna take our gold spider gel and do some fun stringy lines. So we call it spider gel because it's very stringy and slinky and webby. So you're gonna dip your stylus into the spider gel, and then you can literally just whip it around the nail. Using a brush saturated with Prep and Clean, I'm just gonna clean this little bit of excess off. So now I'm just gonna take some really fine glitter with the brush and dust it on top.